Still no answers. This fire happened back in June. Unfortunately, a young man lost his life. Many people were sent to the hospital. Over
As you can
40
see, all the
families
damage that was
displaced. Still
done.
no answers on what caused this explosion in Cleveland, Ohio,
No
in the
official
Garden Valley
word.
neighborhood. Several kids were severely burned, unfortunately. And a lot of people displaced, a lot of things they lost. They have their lives, but they're still trying to pick up the pieces.
Some pictures here from the aftermath. The gentleman, the hero. A lot of animals were saved. They were rescued, and along with the children. So we just pray for everyone. Thank you.